Why AI storytelling matters in engineering education. Why are so many students leaving engineering? The attrition rate in the first 2 years is over 40%. That's not just a statistic. That's talent, lost, innovation, delayed, and dreams, deferred. But there's a way to re-engage them, a way that combines mindset, mentorship, and media. It starts with the KEEN framework. 3 powerful habits: curiosity, connections, and creating value. When students are curious, when they connect disciplines, and when they know they're building something that matters, they stay, they grow, they lead. That's what we're strategically planning in the IEE Pikes Peak section. That is, to give selected members and students Camtasia and AI tools like ChatGPT and AI-assisted Camtasia. They stopped consuming content and started creating it. These tools unlock voice, vision, and purpose. It's not just engineering anymore. It's storytelling with soul. I'm Dr. John Santiago, and this is how we turn the attrition curve into a launch pad.